Make a great choice today with the 2017 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, climate control automatic, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.